has just 10 steps. Okay. One step, what is the first step? Take number of records into rows. Maybe if you want to write, you can write it down. You can try after this session. Okay. Take number of records into rows, right click, then make it as average. Then again, take number of records into rows, right click, take it as average. Category. It's a category and drop it into colors so that the colors will change. Okay. Pie chart. Pie chart is appearing now. So what did I say? To get into middle, right click on the axis, edit axis.
Include 0. Remove the include 0.
Remove include 0. Then again the same way, right click on the edit axis. Right click on the axis. Click on edit axis. Include 0. Okay. This looks very clumsy in the sheet, so I'm going with entire view. Then what did I say? Whenever you want to click on, whenever you want to make the size bigger, any of the click on the pill that you want, increase the size. This is size marks card. Then if you click on the second pill, the second axis will be selected. Just remove the color of it so that it gets and change the color. And now what we do is add labels to it. See, you can't see anything, right? You can't understand anything. So now add label. Click on any pill. Like if you want to add labels to this axis, click on first one, or second one. Let's go with second one for now. If you click on the second one and get the profit, or let's get the sales into label, so that you can see the label here, right? And if you want to get labels in the first axis, click on the first pill and just add the label, like what is the category into label, so that label will be up here. Then again, category and sales into labels, so that the labels will be up here. Now the crucial step is right click on the second axis, click on dual chart. It becomes
turns into
donut chart. Then click on synchronize axis and remove the headers. And if you want, you can always increase the size so that it will look much better. And see, this is one good looking donut. And if you want to make it a little more realistic, KPI kind of thing, KPI, right? That is key performance indicator. If you want to see, the similar kind of pie chart based on region, just drag and drop regions into columns. It will show based on region. Were you able to find it? Were you able to see it? Now this is based on the region. We are able to let's take region and label central, east, south, and west. And we can also just a second. Let's decrease the size and let's increase the size of it just a little bit so that we can able to see. We are able to see the labels along with the 4 regions, and if you remove the region, it will show as
single,
right? Simple, right?
Simple.
Okay, great.